Hello, friends. Today is our Class 28, and in this class, we will learn about the pattern brush tool. So, let's get started. First, we already have some designs prepared, and we will convert these designs into a brush. To begin, go to the Swatches panel. Before creating the pattern brush, we need to add the starting point and the ending point of the pattern. Add both of these elements to the Swatches panel one by one. After that, go to the Brushes panel. At the bottom of the panel, you will see the New Brush option. Click on it, and a pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up, we will select the Pattern Brush and click OK. After that, another pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up, you will be able to see your design and how it will look once it is converted into a pattern brush. Now, let's take a look at some important settings of the pattern brush. Here we have the Flip Along option, which we can enable if needed. This is the Flip Across option, and we can check this as well. If these options are not required, we can simply uncheck them. Now, look at the End Tile option. This allows us to choose how we want the design to end. The designs that we added earlier in the Swatches panel will appear here. For the End Tile, we select this design. Next, we have the Start Tile option. Here again, our design will be visible, and we select this one for the start of the pattern. Now, let's move to the next options. Here you can see all the Fit options. We can check these options and experiment with them. The options at the top can also be checked and adjusted if needed. You can change any setting according to your design requirement. Finally, let's create a shape and apply this pattern brush to it.